The FENCARCIO SCRV275 snow chain set is designed for pickup trucks and sport utility vehicles that need dependable traction on snow-covered and icy roads. Its heavy-duty alloy steel construction resists wear and deformation, so the cross links bite into packed snow and ice without failing under the weight of larger vehicles. The adjustable fit system accommodates several common tire widths in the 260 range, making it practical for households or fleets running multiple vehicles. Installation is straightforward thanks to the pull-tight design and locking mechanism that keeps the chains snug without constant retensioning. On the road, these chains provide confident braking and cornering on steep or rutted winter routes, making them especially useful for off-road access or emergency situations. The set arrives with gloves, spare hardware, and a compact storage bag, so it is easy to keep everything together in the vehicle and ready for sudden storms.